Are you ready to delve into the complexities of criminal law? This video explores the elements of offenses against a person, focusing on murder, manslaughter, and non-fatal offenses. We'll break down the legal definitions and essential components for each category. Murder is defined as the unlawful killing of a human being with malice aforethought. The Actus Reus involves the act or omission that caused the victim's death. The mens rea requires intent to kill or cause grievous bodily harm. Both elements must be present for a murder conviction. This forms the basis for arrest, prosecution, and imprisonment. Causation determines if the defendant's conduct led to the harm or damage. It is divided into factual and legal causation. Factual causation uses the but-for test to establish necessity. Legal causation requires a sufficient connection to the occurrence. Both are essential in proving criminal liability. Factual causation is established if the consequence would not have occurred but for the defendant's actions. If the result would have happened anyway, the defendant is not liable. This principle is crucial in determining responsibility. It is demonstrated in the case of R. v. White. Understanding this helps in assessing criminal cases. Legal causation requires the defendant's conduct to be more than a minimal cause of the harm. It must result from a culpable act. Cases like R. v. Dalloway illustrate this principle. Novus actus interveniens can break the chain of causation. The foreseeability of actions plays a significant role. Intention is the highest degree of fault in mens rea. Direct intent exists when a defendant aims to bring about a specific result. Oblique intent covers outcomes foreseen as virtually certain. The subjective test assesses the defendant's foresight of the result. Case R. v. Nedrick is a key reference. Murder carries a mandatory life sentence under the Murder, Abolition of the Death Penalty Act. Judicial discretion in sentencing is a debated issue. Various judgments suggest flexibility. R. v. Howe is a notable case on this topic. Understanding sentencing is crucial for legal professionals. Provocation as a defense was replaced by loss of control in 2010. It required evidence of provocation leading to loss of self-control. The reasonable person standard was key. R. v. Davies and R. v. Duffy illustrate its application. The Coroners and Justice Act introduced significant changes. Diminished responsibility reduces murder to manslaughter. It involves abnormal mental functioning from a recognized condition. R. v. Byrne and R. v. Tandy are key cases. The defense explains the defendant's actions in the killing. It impacts criminal liability without absolving it completely. Loss of control is a defense under the Coroners and Justice Act. It involves a loss of self-control with a qualifying trigger. R. v. Ibrams and Gregory and R. v. Hatter are relevant cases. The defendant's reaction is compared to a person with normal tolerance. This defense replaces provocation. Constructive manslaughter involves an unlawful act causing death. It lacks the mens rea for murder. The act must be dangerous, as seen in R. v. Church. The act must cause death, demonstrated in R. v. Cato. Understanding these elements is crucial for legal practitioners. Gross negligence manslaughter applies when lawful acts are performed criminally. It involves a breach of duty causing death. R. v. Seymour and R. v. Automaco are key cases. The House of Lords clarified its application. Understanding negligence is vital for legal professionals. Common assault involves causing the victim to apprehend immediate violence. The Actus Reus requires apprehension of unlawful personal violence. R. v. Lamb and Logden v. DPP illustrate its application. The mens rea involves intention or recklessness. It forms the basis for understanding assault cases. The mens rea of assault is intention or recklessness in causing apprehension. MPC v. Fagan and R.V. Parmenter are key cases. Subjective recklessness applies to non-fatal offenses. Understanding mens rea is crucial for legal analysis. It impacts the outcome of assault cases. Battery involves the unlawful application of force. The Actus Reus requires force, which need not be direct. DPP v. K and Collins v. Wilcock are relevant cases. Unlawful force includes self-defense and consent exceptions. Understanding battery is essential for legal practitioners. The mens rea of battery is intention or recklessness in applying force. R.V. Parmenter is a key case. It involves understanding the level of force applied. Legal professionals must grasp this concept. It impacts the outcome of battery cases. ABH involves assault causing actual bodily harm. The Actus Reus requires assault or battery. R.V. Chanfook and A.G. Ref. No. 6 of 1980 are key cases. The mens rea involves intention or recklessness to assault or battery. Understanding ABH is crucial for legal analysis. GBH under S20 involves unlawfully wounding or inflicting harm. The Actus Reus requires a wound or serious harm. DPP v. Smith and R.V. Ballum illustrate this. The mens rea involves intention or recklessness to cause harm. GBH is a serious offense in criminal law. GBH under S18 involves intent to cause serious harm. The Actus Reus requires unlawful wounding or causing harm. The mens rea involves specific intent. Understanding S18 is crucial for legal professionals. It impacts the severity of charges in GBH cases. The Act prohibits harassment, knowing it amounts to harassment. It offers civil and criminal remedies. Proving harassment requires evidence beyond reasonable doubt. Defenses include crime prevention and legal authority. Understanding this act is vital for legal practitioners. Defenses to harassment include crime prevention and legal authority. The conduct must be reasonable in circumstances. Proving defenses impacts the outcome of cases. Legal professionals must understand these defenses. It is crucial for effective legal representation. This is the conclusion of the video. You've explored the intricate elements of offenses against a person. From murder to non-fatal offenses, understanding these components is crucial. This knowledge is essential for navigating the complexities of criminal law.